Students, class 7 science chapter 3 animal fiber. Dear students, today we will study about definition of fiber, natural fiber, some introduction of natural fiber and man-made or artificial fiber. So as you can see in the picture beta, evolution of clothes from animal skin, woven material, silk, status, fashion, work, warfare, religious and sports. These are the different types of clothing pattern, clothing style. Now we'll see what is fiber. We can find at this end the yarn split up into thin strands. As figure shows thin fiber, very minute delicate fibers, yarns and strands. The thin strand of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fiber. Here we will see definition. Definitions: fibers are hair-like substances that is the basis of all yarns and fabric. Yarn and fabric, when we are twisting, mixing together different fibers, we are getting yarn. From yarn we are getting fabric or cloth. Now after fiber, yarn. Fibers that are twisted together form yarns. Fabric are the material, clothing material made by joining yarns through weaving, knitting or felting. These are the techniques: weaving, bunna, knitting. Woolen are also knitted to form sweater. So they are finally become fabric or cloth. Here is the flow chart from fiber to yarn, yarn to fabric. All fabric is made up of fiber, either natural or synthetic in nature. The fiber is processed and twisted into yarn. The yarn is then woven or knit to form fabric. You can see in picture from cotton to thread, thread to cloth. A thin fiber becomes yarn after twisting. When these yarns settle in a particular pattern, they form fabric or cloth. Individual fiber, yarn, textile, that is a cloth only. Okay. Now a very thin thread like strand from which cloth is made is called fiber. Fibers are of two types: natural fiber and synthetic fiber. The fibers which are obtained from natural sources like plants and animal are called natural fiber, prakritik fiber या रेशे या तंतु. Natural fibers are a collection of tiny threads obtained from plants and animals. नेचुरल प्राकृतिक तंतु या रेशे क्या हैं? वो कलेक्शन है किसका? छोटे छोटे महीन थ्रेड का, धागों का. Those are obtained from plant sources as well as animal sources. For example, cotton, wool, silk, flax, jute, etc. Flax and jute are the natural fibers obtained from plants. However, wool and silk are the natural fibers obtained from animals. In this chapter, we will study about wool and silk. These are natural fiber, but these are obtained from animal sources or animal sources. Now, fiber wool and silk. Wool is obtained from the hair of sheep, goat, yak, rabbits and camels. These animals are therefore called wool yielding animals. हमको जो वूल मिल रहा है, ऊन मिल रहा है, इन हिंदी दिस इज नोन एज ऊन, ये हम किससे पाते हैं? शीप, भेड़ों से, बकरी से, और याक्स आर फाउंड इन हिली एरियाज which are covered with ice like Ladakh, rabbits and camels. These are called wool yielding animal. Wool is present as a thick coat of hair on the body. Wool जो है वो thick coat, एक घना, एक कवर के रूप में animals, all these animals present on all these animals body, इन एनिमल्स की बॉडी पे, स्किन पे आउट एज अ आउटर कवरिंग प्रेजेंट होता है. एंड दिस इज प्रोटेक्टिंग दीज एनिमल्स फ्रॉम कोल्ड. एयर इज अ पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. एयर गेट्स ट्रैप्ड इन द स्पेसेस बिटवीन द हेयर्स एंड इट डज नॉट अलाउ द बॉडी हीट टू एस्केप. एयर क्या है? पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट है, वो हीट को पास नहीं होने देती. सो दीज वूल हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन द बॉडी हीट. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर वियरिंग स्वेटर्स ड्यूरिंग कोल्ड और विंटर सीजन. Thus, hair on the body of these animals keep them warm during the cold weather. This is the reason we wear woolen clothes in winter. The hairy coat, as you can see in the figure also or picture also, the hairy coat of the sheep called fleece has two types of fibers, just as the human beings have. भेड़ों के शरीर पे जो आउटर कवरिंग, बाहरी कवरिंग होती है ऊन की, वूल की, उसे हम फ्लीस के नाम से भी जानते हैं. इन इंग्लिश दिस इज नोन एज फ्लीश. द कोरस, बियर्ड हेयर एंड फाइन सॉफ्ट अंडर हेयर फाउंड क्लोज टू द स्किन. कोरस, खुरदुरे, थोड़े रफ, वो ऊपर की तरफ होते हैं, और जो सॉफ्ट हेयर होते हैं वो नीचे, शरीर के नीचे की तरफ होते हैं. इट इज द सॉफ्ट फाइन हेयर दैट इज यूज्ड टू मेक वूल. सम ब्रीड्स ऑफ शीप हैव ओनली द फाइन सॉफ्ट अंडर हेयर. द प्रोसेस इन विच पेरेंट्स आर स्पेशली चोजन टू गिव बर्थ टू शीप which have certain special feature is called selective breeding. Selective breeding is very important. Now the definition: when we are selecting good quality of sheep to get good quality of wool from them, and we are focusing to generate good wool from such sheep, this special feature or technique is known as selective breeding. Selective breeding में हम क्या करते हैं? अगर हमें कुछ खास किस्म के वूल चाहिए तो हमें खास किस्म की भेड़ों को क्या करना पड़ेगा? पालना पड़ेगा, उनका पालन पोषण करना पड़ेगा. और ऐसे ही भेड़ों का पालन जो हम सिलेक्शन करने के बाद उनको पालते हैं, उनको ब्रीड करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज सिलेक्टिव ब्रीडिंग. देयर आर 6 important wool yielding breeds in Indian sheep found across our country. 6 important, 6 अलग अलग तरीके के प्रजातियां हैं, वूल के टाइप्स हैं, जो हमको पूरे भारत देश में अलग अलग कोनों में मिलते हैं या पाए जाते हैं. नेम ऑफ द ब्रीड, अब उस प्रजाति का नाम. फर्स्ट इज द लोही, Quality of wool is good quality. State where they are found Lohi breed. These breeds are found in Rajasthan and Punjab. Second is the Nali. Quality of wool is used to make carpets. These sheep or Nali breed are found in Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Third is the Bakharwal. Quality of wool is good for woolen shawl. These are found in Jammu and Kashmir. Fourth is Marwadi. This is also a type of breed, Marwadi. And the quality of wool is Chorus. This is found in Gujarat. Fifth is the Patanwadi. This breed's wool is used to make hosiery, found in state known as Gujarat. Sixth breed is the Rampur Bushire. Quality of wool is good for brown fleece, or quality is look like a brown colored wool or outer covering. Rampur Bushire found in state like Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. The wool from different sheep vary in fineness, shine, length and strength. The finest wool is the merino wool. Please focus. The finest wool is the merino wool obtained from a breed of sheep belonging to स्पेन. जो मेरिनो शिप का वूल है और मेरिनो शिप जो है वो हमें कहाँ मिल सकती हैं, तो स्पेन में. ऑल्दो sheep are a major source of wool, it is also obtained from the under fur of Kashmiri goat. We are also getting good quality of wool from our Kashmiri goat. It is soft, fine and fluffy and is woven into fine shawl called Pashmina shawl. So the fur or wool from Kashmiri goat is important to make Pashmina shawl. It's a very famous, well-known type of shawl. Now, as you can see in the picture, goat, Angora goat looks different compared to normal goat. Yaks are found in Ladakh region or the hilly region which is covered with ice. Angora rabbit is also here. Then few other varieties of animal like camel, llama, alpaca and Kashmir goat. These are the some wool yielding animals. Now let us understand rearing, breeding of sheep. पशु पालन करना, भेड़ों का पालन करना, like that. Rearing पालना, ब्रीडिंग उनको बड़ा करना, खास किस्म की प्रजातियों को, खास और selected type of variety of sheep. Sheep are herbivorous. Herbivorous, herb means green plants. They are eating green plants, that is why they are known as herbivores, and eat grass and leaves. The wool yielding sheep are given protein rich food such as mixture of corn, pulses, jowar, oil cakes and mineral. जो वूल यील्डिंग शीप हैं उनको हम रियरिंग के टाइम में, पशुपालन के समय में, एज अ फूड वी हैव टू गिव मिक्सचर ऑफ कॉर्न, पल्सेस, जॉर, ऑयल केक्स एटसेट्रा टू गेट good quality of wool from such sheep. In winters, sheep are kept indoors. ठंडियों में इनको घर के अंदर या अस्तबल में, जहाँ पे ठंडी हवा ना जाए वहाँ पे उनको रखा जाता है. केप्ट इंडोर्स एंड फेड ऑन लीव्स, और उनको पत्तियाँ, हरी घास दी जाती है. ग्रेन्स एंड ड्राई फॉडर, गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोटीन ग्रेन्स फॉर food, for eating. In India, sheep are reared in the hilly areas of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, formerly it was known as Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and in the plains of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So some hilly areas of India and some plains, Samtal Pathar, like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, all these are the places where sheep are reared for wool. Some breeds of sheep have a thick growth of hair on their body, which yields good quality wool in large quantities. The sheep are selectively bred by choosing the parents of the sheep with the desired characteristics. To get good quality of sheep for further generation, here we are selecting parent sheep to maintain the good quality. This is known as selection process or selective breeding. My dear students, in this video lecture we will stop here. In our next video we will see the process to get wool from the sheep. Till then, thank you dear students.